procrastination is not about laziness. Trust me, I've heard leaders coming and saying, I'm very lazy. No, it is not about laziness. It's a coping mechanism for the following things. I mean, I would say for various things. And as per me, it could be fear of failure. What if I try and mess it up? And that is where we procrastinate a lot. We don't even start. Task overwhelm. There's so much to do, I don't know where to begin. We think this quite often, right? Poor emotional regulation. We delay discomfort. The brain avoids tasks that make us feel vulnerable or stretched, and we feel we'll do it later. We'll do it later, and then that later never comes. And lack of structure or accountability, no clear plan, so no urgency. We just want to do it and we do it. And sometimes it is low dopamine level. The brain craves instant rewards, not delayed success.